This is my 1998 Jaguar XJ8L. As you can see, the car is in outside excellent condition. Excellent condition. This is the engine. This is the problem right here. It's a cease engine, and unfortunately, I cannot get it uncease. So I'm selling this Jaguar as is. Like I said, this is a 1998 Jaguar XJ8L, and I believe it's a very good car, and unfortunately I cannot get it unceased. The engine is clean. The car works. As far as if you turn it on, the car has power. I have a battery in it. I done paid 100 and with tax $50 something, close to $60 for it. This is the inside of the Jaguar. There's stuff in here that I got in here. Seats. The Jaguar is in excellent condition. Interior I mean, and exterior. But the engine is the only thing that's not working on this car, and that's what I want to work. I don't want to sell it. I really want to fix it, but I don't have the money to do that. I believe this is the problem right here. This is the cease engine part here. I don't know what it's called, but it's where the spark plugs go in. I took all the spark plugs out just now. And, hopefully I can get this engine to turn over. And if not, I'm going to have to get rid of it. Later on, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the spark plugs back in and see if it turns over. If not, I won't be surprised about it. Just that it, like I said, it's on its way out of my yard, that's for sure. Can't have all these cars up in this yard. Not working, that's for sure. Okay, this is Deacon Gaskew, and I'll be coming back to you. God bless you.